Why does your scanner show the P0156 engine code? What does it mean? P0156 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor circuit malfunction, bank 2 sensor 2. This engine code indicates that this sensor, located after the catalytic converter, monitors exhaust gases to help the engine control module, ECM, maintain the proper air-to-fuel ratio and control emissions. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, wiring problems, exhaust leaks, malfunctioning catalytic converter, engine vacuum leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Volkswagen, Ford, Toyota, Honda, and Nissan models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.